Hey guys, this is part 2 of how to make a Lego daman. In part 1 we just made this, we made the headpiece. So now we're going to get into the, I did say there was going to be 4 steps, but honestly there's only going to be 3 because the arms and the mechanism to shoot, I'm going to put that together in one piece so you guys can get those out of the way. So we're going to do let's do the feet first. These are the feet. This is how I designed the feet. I'm going to take this apart and I will show you how to put this back together. But I'll show you the pieces you need first. So, sorry about this. I didn't plan ahead on doing this, but taking these pieces apart, I'm going to show you how to put this together. So you will see all the pieces on film, which I actually should have, on my camera, I actually should have had all the pieces set out first for the feet so you guys knew what you needed. I'm sorry about that. But I don't really feel like wasting any more time because that's going to be a whole bunch of other stuff and it's going to probably take a little bit more time. So we're just going to do it right as it is. So I'll show you the pieces and I'll show you how to put this together. I'm going to take it apart now. I'm sorry about this again. I really should have been prepared on how to do this, but I was rushing and I had some other stuff to do just now. So what I'm going to actually do, if you guys can see all the pieces that are up here, you can pause the video. I will take a brief moment of silence so you guys can look at all the pieces. I will try to focus on every piece. So these are all the pieces you will need. We'll take that quick moment of silence. You can pause the video at any moment right now. It's at 2:04, but by the time I edit all this together, it'll be completely different. Okay, I'm back. So we took that moment of silence. So you can find that these are all your pieces you're going to need. These might be the hardest piece to actually see on camera. These are those little joint connector pieces, like the pieces that pop into the hole pieces. These pieces, you're going to need 2 of these. For the smaller ones, the reason these are in here, the little 2 pieces, and these pieces right here, right, because I had no more of the 2x3s. These pieces, these big, thick, 6 dotted bricks. I just substituted these, putting these together just like that. So let's put this together. So these are your pieces you're going to need. I'm going to push them to the side and pick out the pieces we're going to start with first. Oops, sorry about that. Alright, so first I got to look at my model, my original one, because sometimes I get lost on how to make it. So I'm probably going to take my original one's legs off and we're going to work with that one so I can see it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is you're going to need 2 slant pieces. Either or, you really don't, it doesn't matter what pieces you use for the feet legs, for the feet. The red one has some claw pieces at the end, those slants, but this one I just use these pieces. So we're going to take 2 of those. Then we're going to take 2 of these pieces. You're going to take those 2. Oh, can't see those, sorry about that. Take those 2. Then you're going to take these 2. We're going to do this so you can get this done at the same time, so it doesn't take too much time. You're going to put these 2 pieces together just like that to make a 3. You're going to click that piece just like that. Either or, if you have these pieces, you will need, how many pieces will you need? You will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will need 7, no actually, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You need 8 of those pieces, 8 of these pieces right here. But if you can't get 8 of those pieces, you can always sub them in for a square piece and one of the brick pieces, one of these smaller 2x2 brick pieces right here. So we're going to put that together again. We're going to do that one more time. So just do that again. Doesn't matter, how you put those together. Just like, it does, but just like that. I mind you guys, again, this is my first tutorial, so I'm going to be messing up a lot. But I think it's better than just having a good one. I don't really know, but it's fine. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take your, if you don't drop it, you're going to take one of these pieces again. Actually, two of those pieces, but I have multiple multiple colors. Sorry, I'm messing up. If I said that like 20 times, then take two of these pieces again. You're going to click those right behind, just like that. This is what you should have. You should have two of these. There's one, there's the other one, that's two. Then you're going to, what do we have to do next? You're going to take your 1x3s, or whatever this piece is, right here, this piece, and you're going to, if I shift this to the side, take that, I'm going to lay this down, just lay that down and slide this piece right under the bottom of it, just like that. Do that again, just like that. Gonna make sure these slant pieces, like that's a leg, that's a leg. Gonna turn these around. Actually, you should do that. It'd be easier if you guys did that. Then what you're going to need is, you're going to need one of these pieces. Now, these pieces may be very difficult to find, or they may not be difficult to find, but if you have one, you're in good luck. You need one of these pieces right here. Right now, I do seem to be missing a piece. Oh, where I am. Oh wait, I might not be. No, I'm not missing it. My bad. Okay, so this piece. Sorry about that. You're gonna take this piece and just click it right in the back right here. Now, some people might say this isn't really gonna work, but it does work, and it's pretty stable, just like that. So that's what you're gonna have. Then you're going to take your small piece, your long piece, this piece right here. I'm going to take another piece, which is this 4-pronged piece with a little hole right in the middle. Slide that right in the middle, so this is what you have. Make that twice, because you're going to have those two pieces again. So I'm just going to make that twice, just like that. That's what you're going to have. These will make the connector rods to connect these guys together. You're going to put one on this side, just like that. One on this side, just like that. That's what you're going to have. It's going to be, on this thing, it is going to make it curved a little bit, but when you put it all together, and you put the pieces on the back to lock it together, it'll straighten out. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take these two pieces, two of these little connecting pin things. You're going to put one here, and right here. You're going to put one right there. That'll click into place, it should. Then you're going to do it again. And then you're going to do it again on this side. So you're going to connect this one right here. And connect this one right here. And you're pretty much almost done. You're almost done. Then what we're going to do is we're going to, oh wait. Huh, my bad. I actually missed a step, though, because actually when I was looking at my piece over here, if you guys noticed that one is longer than the other one, is because I messed up. So what we're going to actually do is take off our front piece. You should have these left over. You should have about 4 more left over of these pieces. Connect this onto the front right there. I'm sorry about the step that I missed. It's kind of bad. So we're going to connect that right there. It's going to extend the leg a little bit. Then you're going to do it one more time. Just make sure not to break this back piece right there, so you might want to take it off to do it, depending on how strong these pieces are that connect together. So I'm sorry I missed this step, but just connect that back, and oh, that fell off. They will often fall off, but when this is all connected together, it'll work. Connect that piece right there. These pieces do have a side that they will connect on. This side they won't connect on for some odd reason. Like, it'll pop in this way, but then it won't pop in sometimes the other way. So I'm gonna set that to the side. Then this is what you should have by now. This right here. You will have 2 of these pieces left over, but these are actually going to be used for the launcher piece. So put those pieces to the side real quick. And you're going to have 2 left over. You have 2 of these pieces left over. Right here. So, pretty sure if you've looked at this, you know where to put these. So, I shouldn't actually say that. So, we're going to put one right here. going to connect this piece right into the back, just like that. This will move. You can adjust just how far you want to push forward on that. And then you're going to do this one. So pretty much, oh well, actually, and no, actually, you can take these pieces and just pop them in right here. Those are the legs. So you have the legs done by now.